What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have another video for you guys today. We're going to be doing a small modification on the G35. So guys, stay tuned. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be installing a cheap eBay part. You know, some things we can get on eBay that is actually worth it sometimes. You know, parts, mechanical wise, I do not recommend. But small things like this window visor that we're going to be installing today, guys, is perfect. So I bought this about a week ago on eBay for about 30 bucks. Came in about, a week later. It took about a week to ship it in. And I see a lot of G35s with this, and I decided, well, hey, why not give it a try, So if you guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think, what it's going to look like, because I am new to this. I have never had one of these ever on any vehicle. So yeah, today is a very first experience. We're going to be putting on the G35. I also installed a shift knob the other day. I fucking hate the old one, or the stock one they have. It was falling apart. It was ripping. It was, cutting my hands. So I installed the new one. It's not very big. It's a little bitty guy, but it's a lot better, and I love the color blue. So I bought me a blue one, and we got it installed. So let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so today's video, all we need to do to prep is only two things, and that is literally a set of paper towels, some glass cleaner or Windex. Yeah, let's get this started. Alright guys, so good advice I would recommend as well is make sure when you're cleaning the window, you guys get into these cracks right here or up into these area, the best that you can, because you don't want to get the debris, or if it doesn't stick, like me living in Washington, the moisture, the rain, the weather, the debris will get underneath the adhesive, which would cause it to go through the rest of the way. And I don't want you guys to be driving down the road and then your visor flies off. Alright guys, so the prep work is complete. So what I'm going to do is, I decided instead of using the window, I'm going to try this out and put it on top of this lip right here, because the way this is made, if you just go right here onto the window itself, there is this giant gap, guys, right through here. And I am an OCD freak coming to that, especially on my cars. So I decided I'm going to put it on this lip right here with the rubber and see how it works. If it works out, I'll let you guys know. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think, because I'm going to try this out. I mean, I know it's made for the window, but I decided to just get some rubbing alcohol, even though right here, and I just cleaned it off. And I tell you guys, it was horrible. A lot of black shit came up, but now it's clean. So yeah, let's get started installing this. God, guys, it sucks taking this adhesive off. We've got no nails. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna get my wife. Look, guys, this is my little son. Say hi, Audie. Hi. Yeah. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Don't forget to subscribe. Look, guys, this is my wife. She's side camera side, but we're gonna put her in the video. Oh my god! But let's get back to the video.
Everyone's gonna, like, I guarantee your followers, why the fuck is she wearing pajamas?
Alright, guys, so I got my wife with me here. If you guys can look at the picture, my kid is inside my car because I don't want him running off into the road or the street injuring himself. So let's get back to the video. So she's gonna help me install this the best that we can.
I don't even know what we're doing.
So we gotta turn it this direction. And we're gonna put it on, we're gonna put it on this black part right here.
Okay.
So hold on. So we're gonna make about right there. And then
push it.
Alright guys, we officially got this installed onto the G35. I think it looks good. Definitely pops out the G35 a little bit more. And this is my first time, like I told you guys, but I think it looks good. I'm actually digging this. I can't wait till we get the next installment, which hopefully we'll be putting the ducktail spoiler onto the G35 to complete it with the visor. And then, yeah, guys, I'm really digging it. I think it looks good on the G35s. I also think it looks good with the Genesis, especially when you put the carbon fiber ducktail on the back of the G35s. It really pops them out. Yeah, guys, I'm really digging this. So stay tuned. We are going to be putting you into cinematic mode. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up today's video. If you guys want to see more content on the G35, you guys want to keep this channel going and help us out, because guys, I want to get out of the towing industry. I'd rather spend time with this and my family, making good content for you guys, and adventure and having more fun than I do ever, because I'm never home, guys. I never get to experience what most people do and have fun. I'm always in the tow truck all the time. I work more than a 9 to 5 hour, guys. So if you guys can help us, please smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.